Hi, welcome back again. So now that you have your font ready to go, your brush lettering ready to go, I'm going to teach you how to place it over photos on Photoshop and some other cool tricks. So I've chosen obviously like a winter background, and I'm going to drag that into Photoshop. It's going to open up in Photoshop like so, and then I'm going to go back to my 3x file, and I'm going to grab my Hello Winter, and I'm also going to drag it down to the Photoshop icon on the dock, and it's going to open up inside Photoshop. Oh, I did that too fast, sorry. There we go. Okay, so winter is here, Hello Winter is here, so I'm going to separate the windows so that I can drag one on top of the other. So I make sure I am selected on the Move tool. I drag my Hello Winter and I drop it on my photo. There you go. Now it's kind of small because this photo I got is super high quality, so just in case you don't know, Command T on the keyboard to transform, or edit free transform. Okay, and then you'll get these handles and you can change the size of your lettering. As soon as the size is correct, press enter on the keyboard. Okay, so first thing, it looks really nice just by itself, but I'm going to show you how to cut out the letters to just have the background showing through, which is kind of fun. So my lettering is on this layer here. I'm going to select the paint bucket. If you can't find your paint bucket, it is underneath the gradient tool, so click and hold, go to paint bucket, make sure your color is white. Actually, or another color could be fine too, and I just paint the background. So it's going to paint where the arrow is pointing. I always think that it's going to paint where the paint is pouring, but no, it paints where the arrow is pointing. You'll see when you do it. Okay, inside the E. Okay, perfect. Alright, so then go back to the Move tool, and now we need to select the black lettering. So I'm going to use the Magic Wand actually. Magic Wand will select color, so I'm just going to click on the lettering until it's selecting all of the lettering. Okay, I think that's everything. Again, Command plus to zoom in. Looks like everything's selected, and are you ready? Here's the fun part. You get to press delete. Yay! And then press Command D to deselect. And you've got lovely Hello Winter words. Isn't that nice? So you can save that or make Christmas cards or something like that. So that's one way you can do with your lettering.